Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can activate the Last of Us theme on Facebook Messenger. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Play Store and search for the Messenger. Here you need to click on Messenger. The first step you need to update your Messenger. As you can see, my Messenger is up to date. Then you simply need to click on Open. So once it is open, you simply need to select any conversation and click on this icon in the top right. From here you need to select theme, and here you need to select the Last of Us and click on select, and now you can see that the Last of Us theme is activated. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.